Hello everyone, welcome all of you in my organic chemistry concept class. In last class we have already discussed preparation of haloalkane and haloarene, and in this particular class we are going to explain the important chemical reactions shown by haloalkane and haloarene. What type of chemical reaction is shown by haloalkane? First of all, we'll try to understand. The first category of such type of reaction, that is the reaction with metals. Haloalkane interacts with different types of metals and form very important organic compounds. For example, haloalkane reacts with haloarene in presence of sodium and dries as solvent. It produces alkyl benzene, and this reaction is said to be as Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Number 2, haloalkane reacts with magnesium and dry ether solvent is used, and it produces alkyl magnesium halide or MgX. This alkyl magnesium halide is also known as Grignard reagent because it was first of all invented by Grignard, and it is also known as synthetic organic reagent. Why it is known as synthetic organic reagent? Because almost all types of organic compounds can be synthesized by using alkyl magnesium halide, that is Grignard reagent. It is also known as organometallic compound because it has carbon metal bond. All those compounds which consist of carbon metal bond are the examples of organometallic compound. When haloalkane reacts with sodium, then it produces alkane, and the reaction is known as Wurtz reaction. And the statement of this reaction, when two molecules of haloalkane reacts with sodium in presence of dry ether solvent, produces alkane with sodium halide. When haloalkane reacts with zinc, then alkane is obtained, and this reaction is better known as Franklin's reaction. Haloalkane reacts with lithium and solvent normal hexane, then it produces alkyl lithium. It is also an example of organometallic compound. So, these are the some very important reactions of haloalkane in which haloalkane react with metals and produces very important organic compounds. And now some other chemical reactions which are shown by haloalkane. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction further classified into two categories, SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction. We will discuss all these reactions in detail in our upcoming classes. And the third one is elimination reaction. Elimination reaction further classified into two categories on the basis of the molecularity of the reaction, that is E1 reaction, which is also known as unimolecular elimination reaction, and E2 reaction, which is also known as bimolecular elimination reaction. Now, there are two more classification of beta elimination reaction, and these classifications are acid catalyzed beta elimination reaction. Beta elimination reaction which takes place in presence of acid said to be as acid catalyzed beta elimination reaction, and the example dehydration of alcohol in presence of acid, and the main product in this reaction will be alkene. The second beta elimination reaction which takes place in presence of base said to be as base catalyzed beta elimination reaction, and the example is dehydrohalogenation reaction. Dehydrohalogenation reaction means the removal of hydrogen and halogen will take place during this reaction. Now, on the basis of the position from where the removal of atom or group of atom is taking place, elimination reactions are further classified into three categories: alpha, beta, and gamma elimination reaction. In our next class, we'll discuss about nucleophilic substitution reaction and the classification of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Till then, thank you and goodbye, and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.